Hello guys, guess what today's video is about? I'm going to be building my PC. Well, obviously I got a pre-built, but we're gonna move everything over to my new case. I got a white case because I currently have a black one. I don't really care about the color, but I really don't know why I got a case. But I'm not complaining. My friend was like, just get the case. I was like, okay. And then I ended up getting a cooler. This is my CPU cooler. It's from Corsair. I'm very excited. I got it in white. I did have to order it. Yeah, thank God it came in early. So that way my friend can help me build my PC. The case, this is just a brand that she used. It's a pretty good brand, I'm assuming, because she's a pro. And then for my PC, I got an iBuyPower. I did need to upgrade my surge protector, so I went ahead and got a new one. And then I got an Ethernet cable to connect my PC to my mesh system. I'm nervous. Hopefully I don't mess up. We'll wait and see. But I'm gonna unbox my PC. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I think I'm just gonna cut it open, like rip it open instead of pulling it out.
What the dog doing?
And that's my PC case. Okay, she came.
Oh god.
What'd you bring?
So all the essentials that you need. I didn't know if we needed some thermal paste. So we got the thermal paste. And then I also got a drive so I can update her BIOS because I already know they probably didn't do that. I have a whole little tool, like off-brand iFixit kit, Amazon. Canned air, because you never know. And I got a little microfiber because we also got isopropyl alcohol. I know it says 70. I promise you it's 100, like, well, 99%. We about to sweat up in here.
Yeah, I'm already sweating.
But it's okay.
Look at this box. Like, look at this. I can't even zoom in, but yeah. I haven't opened it.
What you get?
Oh my gosh. You scared me. What is this? Look at my nails. Show them your nails.
This is the one that's like
So we got all the goodies in here. I got the antenna here.
so cute, actually. What is your motherboard? What kind of brand is it? I can't tell. Oh, it's MSI. I have an Amazon motherboard.
She was doing most of the work, you know, being a pro and whatever. And guys, tell me why, while we were recording on my phone, it freaking ran out of storage, so it stopped. How annoying.
Retro save.
And now that we took everything out from the old case, we went ahead and started putting everything into the new one. So we started off with the motherboard. That's just me screwing in everything. Look at that. Yes, I'm doing all the hard. Just kidding. She was doing most of the hard work. They screwed that in really tight.
Nasty!
The paint
And this is where it's gonna confuse you. So
I'm already confused. Unfortunately, midway of building the PC, we found out that our supply that I had was not enough and it just didn't have the connections that we needed. So we had to go to freaking Best Buy and upgrade my power supply. But hey, I'm good for the next 10 years. Back and better than ever.
I'm about to curse at this thing.
She put it in that work.
Bro, I don't want to put in the work right now.
Yeah, I was low-key stressing.
She was for no reason. Yeah. But,
It's okay.
it's okay.
We're here. We're alive. And we got some Wendy's, so
Yeah, we did get some Wendy's.
we're even better. It's still hot in here, but
We have the window open.
yeah, so we'll be fine. I'm editing right now, but so basically the reason why I was a little stressed was because by the time that we found out that I needed a power supply, it was almost 8, and Best Buy closes around that time, so we went in and out. Thank God I do live close to Best Buy, so thank God we made it and we got it.
There's like no ASMR in this. Gosh, it's so sticky.
Wow.
I know.
I know that you know.
I don't
and
think
that
it's
you
gonna
know that
reach.
I
It's
don't
just
know.
gonna be a pain in the booty cheek. Not you stressing out. Sorry, I'm cable managing. I would love to share with
Very
you,
important stuff.
but
Very big girl stuff. Very important.
yeah.
Locked in. Locked in right now.
Don't judge it, guys. Please be nice to me.
Go ahead and judge her, please.
No, please don't. You know, what you can't see doesn't hurt nobody.
You're right. You're right.
So to all the cheaters on display, no, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I promise.
No, what were you gonna say?
It's all the cheaters in the world. Go ahead, keep doing what you're doing. If they don't on display, and don't actually do that.
Don't ever,
I
don't
love
listen to
Jesus.
her.
Please don't cheat. I've already been cheated on. Anyways.
Just starts trauma dumping. All right, guys, this is my story time.
Please don't. So far, I think it looks Gucci in the cooch.
We did it. We finished building the PC. It came out so nice. We did not put the glass on it just yet, but we were planning out where to put it. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is what I had before. Look, cute. Okay, and then this is what I have now. Isn't this a major upgrade? Like, how freaking beautiful. I'm so obsessed with my PC. I love it. Shake my big balloons. Don't understand what the heck this is, bro. It is crazy. I feel like a mom just recording. Just feel like I'm recording. I'm holding the phone. You're doing great, sweetie.
Thank you.
Yes, business. So my desk setup was feeling a little way too plain, so I decided to upgrade my mouse pad, and I came across this Razer Hello Kitty and Friends desk mat on Amazon, and you already know, I had to get it. Like, just see, it's so cute, so freaking cute. Oh, and also my mouse glides so smoothly now. I'm so happy. So this is pretty much the final look. This is how it all came out. I do need to fix this. I know it's bad, but it's okay. It's okay. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm obsessed with this area. Look how beautiful. I have my Melody and Kuromi, and then I have another Kuromi there. And just look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. But yeah, this is the graphics card, the CPU cooler. Yeah, that we upgraded. Or no, we didn't upgrade this. We just added the CPU cooler and the power supply, which is there. So yeah, it came out so nice. Look at the fans, my favorite. And then we have Hello Kitty and Friends in here. Well, We have some here, but so cute. And then I added this. Isn't she adorbs? I have Rockstar Game Launcher downloading, and oh my gosh, all I gotta say is you guys need to work on it. Like, it sucks. You guys suck. No, I'm just kidding. It just doesn't want to download. I had this issue when I first downloaded it on my RGLI. I do need to get a stand for my headset. So yeah, this needs to be situated, and those are my new headphones. Ugh. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment. Comment down some ideas on what I could add on to my desk or to my PC just to give it the extra oomph, the extra pizzazz, you know? So again, thank you so much, and shout out to Noelle, my bestie, the one and only. Yeah, but shout out to her. Literally, if it weren't for her, I wouldn't have even gotten into gaming or any type of like any of this stuff. So love you, girl. And then love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.